What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we just slayed this beautiful lace wig together. Now she's a beautiful kinky straight texture, which we all know mimics African American hair texture, and I love the way I slayed this one. This one is going to be for my beginner and intermediate ladies. So I did go ahead and do a different technique for you guys. I want to switch it up on this channel just a little bit. You guys know we usually typically cut the entire lace off and then we bond her down in sections. I did something that's a lot more easy, I guess you would say, to follow along with, where I added the adhesive, we let it get tacky, and then we bonded the wig down and we cut the lace off after, which made it super simple and easy. And as you guys can see, the hairline came out super clean. Now you can go ahead and pluck and tweeze it. You can go ahead and add more baby hair. I did add these little pieces around just to give it a little bit more of a fun and playful look to play up my little top, but you can go ahead and do anything you want to customize and make the wig look better for you. This was just a different look that I wanted to do for you guys, and I hope you guys love it. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Again, this one did come from RPGHair, and I'll show you all the goodies they included at the end of the video. But if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and following along with this cute little hairstyle, again, it's about a 15-minute install, so it's super simple and easy, and I did speed it up here and there for you guys so you don't have to, you know, see all the pieces. But go ahead and keep on watching.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did not. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Fake, yeah, down. I can't relate. Sewn off in the clouds. I got that cake, down off of her say. Can I just say that popo ain't around? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Get up on the track now, running like I'm bold. Ain't no going back now, times are getting cold. Lately I've been fast, yeah, looking for that gold. Prayed up on that podium and ran away from home. Yeah, cars, some cans, some coke. Hey, told me that's the drop. I don't see why I can't go on now. All my friends designing, and at times I feel alone. Yeah, take it with the spice, and now I feel like I can cope. Yeah, I'm on my feet, don't you get it?
Hold up. Yeah. I'm chasing a bag, I'm racing the clock. Look at them block, watching them flop. Used to see this in my sleep when I ain't had shit but my thoughts in the car. I really was lost. Now I'm public with the soundscapes. Niggas floss, I'm really pulling strings for the pound cake. I see you went for a puppet in the clown face for a little wage. That shit, the talk of the town is late. Still me, I never switch sides. Came a long way with the gas tank running on fumes. Wonder why you full on the envy. When it's all love, when I fall through with the young bulls, get them niggas a kidney, but you ain't mob, you a op. Must be lost in the sauce. Been here for the art and the jump start. Wanted this a small, pack the lunchbox with the Kool-Aid jammers, and I'm still throwing tantrum. I'm set to roam around the planet where they know the songs and they chant them. The vision turned into fruition. I'm really liking how it's panning. They call me collector, you thought I planned it. Shit been crazy, then it fell into place. Now everything's stable. I'm all in on the table. You selling that fable, we know that it's made up. We know what you made of. I do better offline, yeah. I've been calling to a guy. I'm in tune with the signs. I'm just trying to let go. Funhouse active, yeah. King of the palace. Rubber like Malcolm. Balled up fist in the air to the fast lit. Yeah. Hands up in the air that they gun me down. I keep it 100, they crunching the numbers, I'm bringing out. Young nigga got a fetish for success. If I ain't next, and I just leave impression. Next to rain on the window pane, puffy plain Jane. Let them second guess me, wanna cop the Porsche with the porcelain skin. Grip the wheels, let the horses spin. Why they trash, another chore on my list. Out of this orbit, I soar with the pen. I'm eating good, Miss Caloric as shit. I sipped the potion and poured it in. I on the tide when she poured it. Opportunity, knock at the door, then I grin. They rush for the doors, then they open like bliss. Pin stroke, game code is the Been gritty, don't pity, they full thing with me, been real, fuck trending, I'm hype, I'm hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinach for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails, like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in, I've been on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to put me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down, if you pull me all the way, I need it all.
I've been really in the field, love the rush, I love the feel. Lately I just wanna run it up. Don't need no deals, I make the deal. Have to take it to a meal. Lately I just wanna run it up. Yeah. Kinda check the song. Lately I just wanna run it up. Count that too, count it up, yeah. Count it up. Lately I just wanna run it up. Need them ones, I need them fives, need them tens, I need that change. To the safe, got blues inside. Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still save and roll my change. Take some losses when I play, charge it to the game. I'm with L, yeah, I'm with T Black, I'm with Remy now. I'm with Bay, yeah, I'm with J, yeah, I'm with Chuck and now. Still the same, not switching sides, now it's about loyalty. You switch sides off for the.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be a sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found shit of them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see it when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish with 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. I'm sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no.
Okay, so we are back really quickly. I wanted to show you guys what I did to style the hair. So I was moving the hair around and I realized a lot of pieces just naturally wanted to move forward. So I decided to do a fun little bang look. I did sideburns and then I did these two little pieces here and I love the way they flow. And then because it's a lot of hair, I thought it would be fun to put it up a little bit. I like doing this and still keeping the parting there just because I didn't pluck and tweeze the hairline out and I kind of want to break it up and give it a little bit of a scalp vibe. So I did that by, you know, just not pushing it straight back and kind of keeping the parting there. Again, the hair is so nice and full that it's gonna be beautiful down, but it serves me well to also go up and like style it and put it in a ponytail. And I love how it looks with this beautiful baby doll top. Also, you'll notice that I did go in with my flat iron and I went and pressed the hair out. Now, it did not silk press the hair or alter the texture. More than anything, it just kind of smoothed it out so everything is straight and going in the same direction. Because the wig did come in a box, it did have a little bit of a crimp to it just from shipping and handling, so that just pretty much made it super smooth and sleek, and I absolutely love the way it came out. So let me know what you guys think about this one. Again, she did come from RPGHair and I think gave me some goodies. So the wig itself came in the box, which I'll show in just a moment, and inside the box was this beautiful dust bag with their logo in bows. focus. It might not focus at the moment. And this one is 20 inches in length and 130% density, which is very surprising because as full as it looks, you would think it was like 200% density. But the beauty in that is that it's not heavy or like overbearing at all. And then as always, this is the box that the wig came in. Same box and packaging as always. And then inside you did get a baby hairbrush, a rat tail comb, the flyaway tamer, which I should have used. You guys seen I used my wax stick, but they had their own version of that, which works pretty much the same. And then they also gave a adjustable elastic band to go inside. That's gonna help to make the wig fit glueless. And then the wig cap. So they did spoil us with tons of free goodies in the package. So yeah, go ahead and check the link if you are interested in this one. I have it in the description box. All the details included. Sorry, it's a little bit noisy in my house, but I am Ashley Bedeck if you are tuning in for the first time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå